not bad for the first time ever shooting that gun, ever. Freeze and I are sitting here talking, and this is the Gen 4 9mm Glock. It's, I don't know, it's 34, 35, whatever the 9mm is. It's my groups. This is the Gen 5. Now, admittedly, the guy put, look, I have a good group there. Yeah. They're high and to the left, and maybe it's the sights, maybe it's me, but I just feel like, I don't know.
I still say it's the sights. Look,
it's the
that's a good group. That's a good group. And that's, you know, I mean, you had a flyer.
That's me ganking it, right-handed shooter, low left.
I mean, thing is, it's shooting high left. That's the sights, dude.
Well, no, I'm not worried about the high left. I'm not worried about the point of impact. I'm worried about the group and the way it breaks. I'll be honest with you. I think maybe it's because it's the tactical, practical gun.
Look,
it's got the longer slide.
These two groups are every bit as good as these two.
I guess what I'm saying is, for trigger and experience, I'll take a practical, tactical Gen 4 Glock 9mm over this Gen 5 gun any day.
Well, I mean, that's good, because I won't take either one of them.
I'm not enjoying it at all. For someone that doesn't shoot Glocks, you're not used to them.
Kept going too high on this on the right target.
Yeah. You'll notice that front sight on there, it's one of those Vickers Wilson sight. It's a huge front sight. And so
it is, but I'll tell you what, that orange really pops on the yellow.
Yeah. Yeah, it's you know, I like those sights.
But yeah, I was pulling a little high on the right target. I was doing okay on the other one.
Let me show the sight to the camera. So aftermarket sights. That's what we're dealing with. Not bad for a guy. When was the last time you shot a Glock?
Years.
1995. Gen 5, what do you think?
Not impressed. I mean, if you're a Glock person, I say, yeah, fine. But you know, I wouldn't sell your Glocks to go out and buy this.
My Gen 4s.
Yeah, don't sell your Gen 4s. I mean, if you don't have a Glock and you want to buy a Glock, yeah, it offers some nice features, but truthfully, I don't see where this really is any better than a Gen 4. I mean,
no. It's gilding the lily. I mean, I hate to say it like this, because it's an overstatement. It's more personal. I'm not enjoying shooting this gun at all today.
No.
Not at all. I'm just kind of surprised. I mean, it seems accurate enough. It seems well enough, but I just...
I mean, don't sell your Gen 4 to go out and buy the Gen 5 is all I'm saying. You know.
I'm over it.
Yeah, me too.
You were saying?
You know, at the end of the day, the Gen 5, you know, yeah, okay. Yeah, it's got some features on it. Cool. Flared magwell. Ambi. Slide stop release.
What does this say? This is a Gen 4 model 34. Look, this is the first time I think I've ever fired this 34. I really like the 34. I like the trigger on the 34. I think that I'm not liking this Gen 5. I'm not disliking the Gen 5, but the world isn't, you know, this isn't the good news of the second coming of Jesus.
No, I mean,
it's just another Glock.
Yeah, I mean,
with a regular trigger in it.
Look, everyone's talking all this awesomeness about the Gen 5, but really, look at these two guns. The only difference is you got the ambi slide stop and you got a little bit of a flare on the magwell. You got the same crappy Glock rail. Honestly, the trigger's nice on the Gen 5, but I tell you what, the 34's got really crisp trigger on.
These practical tactical guns have really good triggers, and I'm sure this is an unfair comparison, and I'm sure the Glock guys are going to come in and crap all over me. But I like this 34. I like it better than the Gen 517.
I agree.
And you know, and personally, I must be like the one guy on the planet that likes to finger grooves.
I don't care about the finger grooves.
I like them.
I mean, that's fine. I mean, I like them too, but it's not a deal breaker to me. I don't, you know. But look,
that's the verdict. That's where we're at. We're not gear reviewers. We shoot guns we like. We appreciate Officer M letting us borrow the Gen 5. He can have it back.
Appreciate it, because he can have it back.
He can have it back.
You will not be seeing a repeat of the Gen 5 Glock.
No, unless Officer M is shooting it himself.
There you go.
Okay, all right. Remember, it's all about shooting guns and having fun. Everybody, have a good day.
See you later.